How to check your loan application status on Avant.com. First of all, open your web browser and go to the official website Avant.com. Once the homepage loads, click on the login button located at the top right corner of the screen. Enter the email address and password associated with your Avant account. Then click Login to access your dashboard. After logging in, navigate to your loan application or account overview section. Here you will find details about your loan application status. You can see whether your application is still being reviewed, approved, or if additional information is required. If you have any questions or need more details about your loan, there is usually an option to contact customer support directly through your account page. Remember to check your email regularly, as Avant also sends updates about your loan application status via email. Now you know how to check your loan application status on Avant.com. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more financial tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.